Hello, and welcome to another episode in our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial series. Today's focus is on the efficient use of container elements, particularly the UML package and the various container layouts available. Let's jump right in. Container elements in Software Ideas Modeler offer a useful feature, the ability to nest other elements within them. This is particularly handy with UML package elements, where you can include classes, enumerations, and comments. As you can see, once nested, these elements move in tandem with the UML package, a behavior stemming from their placement in a container type element at the diagram level. This action also established the ownership bond at the model level between the package and its nested elements. To examine this further, let's explore the properties dialog, where we can scrutinize the ownership and delve into the specifics of these nested elements. Now, let's explore a standout feature of Software Ideas Modeler, container layouts. By accessing the Container Layout option in the context menu, we unlock a variety of layout styles. The default is the simple layout, but there's a lot more to explore. The stack layout organizes elements one after the other, ideal for sequential data representation. The flow layout aligns elements dynamically, similar to how text flows in a document, adjusting to the available space. Table layout positions elements in a structured, cell-based manner, great for representing organized data. The grid layout offers a table-like structure, but with the flexibility to span elements across multiple cells or select specific cells for placement. In linear layout, elements are aligned in a straight or polyline with adjustable spacing and orientations. The Bezier layout places elements along a Bezier curve, allowing for creative control over the curve's control points. Circular layout arranges elements in a circle, perfect for illustrating cyclical processes. Radial layout places elements around a central item, creating a star-like pattern. In pyramid layout, elements are stacked in a pyramid shape, depicting hierarchical structures effectively. Lastly, the tree layout organizes elements in a tree format, guided by their connectors, suitable for family trees, organization charts, and more. Each layout style offers unique visualization benefits for different types of data and relationships. In future tutorials, we'll examine each layout individually, exploring their settings and applications. Thank you for joining us today. With Software Ideas Modeler, you're equipped to visually represent complex systems with ease and clarity. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy modeling!